Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you why a workshop test cabin container is one of the smartest investments for your worksite. A workshop test cabin container is an essential solution for anyone who needs a secure, organized, and efficient workspace. Whether you are in construction, engineering, manufacturing, or repair services, a test cabin container provides a controlled environment where you can carry out detailed inspections, testing, and hands-on work without disturbance. Because it is built from a durable shipping container, it offers strong protection against weather, dust, and theft, making your equipment and tools safe at all times. Another advantage is mobility. You can easily move the cabin from one site to another without rebuilding your workspace. This saves time, reduces cost, and increases productivity. The interior can be customized with shelves, lighting, ventilation, and electrical installations, giving you a professional and comfortable work area. In short, a workshop test cabin container provides convenience, security, mobility, and flexibility, making it the perfect choice for any serious work environment. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.